today we'll be making a volcano experiment using vinegar and baking soda. This is a mix of, we made a volcano out of paper here, and we already have baking soda inside of it. And we have this cup full of vinegar colored with red food dye.
What's inside? Can you show me?
So this is what's inside.
Uh-huh.
So
How did you put it?
we used a funnel and pushed all the baking soda in using this.
Okay.
So now
Let's do it.
let's start the experiment. I think it's starting.
I cannot see any.
I think it's coming.
Do you wanna shake it off?
Okay. Maybe.
I'm gonna just wing it.
As you can see, Benjamin is winging it, which basically means he's just putting in more.
그만.
Maybe more baking soda.
Ooh!
Oh my god! Boom!
Stella. I think that was all.
I think baking soda is more needed.
Oh my god. No, I think more vinegar was needed.
Okay.
Now I will pour this baking soda.
Come on, don't.
Okay, that sounds promising.
Very promising.
Not super promising.
Now my turn.
So I'll pour onto the excess stuff. Not there. Oh God.
I think it's coming.
I think I hear it. Or not.
I think it just needs a good shake.
Okay. I wanna see inside actually.
Okay. Help me rip this off, Stella.
Oh, or that.
Interesting. Very interesting, to be honest. Okay, I think that's enough.
It is never enough.
You're right, it isn't.
아, 베이킹 소다. Put more baking soda. More. Use everything.
Purple.
Now my turn.
No.
Stella, give me the chopstick. Chopstick.
Every single time we add more ingredients. Ah!
Yep, that was a good one.
As you can see, every single time we add more ingredients, a bunch of bubbles show. Ah! Understandable. Stella holds the funnel right here. Prepare.
Oh! Hey!
I never thought it was gonna be clean. Awesome.
Now you hold it here.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness! What have you
It's
done?
boiling.
What have you done, Stella?
I didn't do anything. You did it.
I dropped the funnel so you wouldn't hurt me.
Oh.
I think we're out of baking soda.
Too bad. Oh my god.
It's kind.
Okay, we're doing this. We're definitely doing this.
I think you filled it up.
Well, too bad.
Now that's all vinegar.
Now it's Fanta. We're shaking this thing. Oh, okay. I mean that works too, but
Wow. Wow. You did something, Benjamin.
of course we did. Or of course Benjamin did.
Now I'm gonna stir.
Okay.
I love going insane. Also, I think the stuff at the bottom is having a reaction. Anybody know where the lid to the bottle is?
Now.
Mommy, I think you need to buy more baking soda.
Come on.
Well, that was fun.
Oh my nose, ah!
Viewers, you're very lucky you cannot smell this. Also, I think Marshmallow's ears hurt.
So it's done?
No, it's not done.
No.
If
Put
I
it
put it-
inside. Coming.
It's coming. Oh, that's not that much.
Okay, give me that.
I'm like really disappointed right now.
Why?
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Or I do say then, I'm gonna wing it.
The reactions are pathetic.
Compared to earlier,
Stella,
I think it's
done.
no, it is not done. You must not say that it's done.
just sounds like when
You see, it's not done.
Wow. You're right, Stella.
I think there might still be some baking soda at the very bottom.
Yeah.
Probably.
I'm gonna go find where the cup is.
So it's done?
No, it's not done.
End of video?
No.
I think I can. I'm pretty sure the lid has been thrown away.
I mean, that was better than last time.
I also think you need to buy more vinegar.
Okay.
Disappointing.
It's coming.
But still disappointing. There's almost nothing left in here. The reaction's over.
No, it's not. Look. Okay, now it's over.
Be careful.
Oh, it's not over.
Stella, cover your nose. Cover your nose with your free hand.
My free hand is dirty.
Just do it. Okay, so viewers, you saw how that was. Now,
Don't do it at home.
don't try this at home, okay?
Why? It was fun.